Welcome back, dear design enthusiasts. You're watching another exciting showcase on our channel, where we bring you the most captivating and inspiring architectural designs from around the world. Today, we have a special treat for you: a stunning tour of a beautifully designed, simple 3-bedroom, one-story brick house. This house is a perfect example of how simplicity can be elegant, functional, and charming. Join us as we discover the amazing details of this remarkable home. Let's start with the exterior view, where the first thing that catches your eye is the classic brick facade. The brick material gives the house a warm and inviting look, while also being durable and low maintenance. The hipped roof design, which slopes down on all four sides, adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to the house. The roof also features a meticulously engineered roof drain and gutter system, which efficiently manages water runoff and prevents damage to the structure. As we walk towards the entrance, we can appreciate the convenience and practicality of the carport, a covered space that provides protection for your vehicles from the elements. The carport is seamlessly integrated into the house design, maintaining the overall aesthetic and harmony. Let's step inside through the inviting front entrance, which welcomes you with a cozy and pleasant atmosphere. The entrance also sets the tone for what lies beyond an open-plan living room, dining room, and kitchen that form the social hub of the house. The open-plan living space is truly the heart and soul of this home's design. It offers a spacious and airy environment where you can enjoy every moment of your day. Imagine yourself lounging in the comfortable living area, watching your favorite show on the wall-mounted TV, or enjoying the view from the large windows. Imagine yourself sharing meals and conversations at the well-designed dining table, which can accommodate up to 6 people. Imagine yourself preparing culinary delights in the modern kitchen, which features sleek cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a large island with a sink and a breakfast bar. The open-plan living space also fosters connectivity and interaction among the occupants, ensuring that no one feels isolated or left out. The living space also features recessed lighting, hardwood flooring, and neutral colors that create a warm and cozy ambience. Moving on from the living space, we come across 2 thoughtfully designed bedrooms that share a chic and functional bathroom. These bedrooms are ideal for your family members, guests, or personal hobbies. The bedrooms feature large closets, ceiling fans, and windows that let in natural light. The shared bathroom exemplifies intelligent design, prioritizing comfort without compromising on style. The bathroom features a vanity with a sink and a mirror, a toilet, a shower with a glass door, and a towel rack. Moving forward, we enter the serene master bedroom, the ultimate sanctuary for relaxation and tranquility. This spacious bedroom is designed to offer you maximum comfort and privacy. With carefully positioned windows that invite natural light and fresh air, as well as curtains that provide shade and privacy, the master bedroom becomes a haven of comfort. The master bedroom also features a ceiling fan, a wall-mounted TV, and a cozy armchair for your leisure. Don't miss the master bedroom's closet and attached bathroom; they complete the master suite experience. The closet is intelligently designed to accommodate your storage needs, ensuring a clutter-free space. The master bathroom features a double vanity with 2 sinks and 2 mirrors, a toilet, and a separate shower with a glass door. As we reach the end of our tour, we have a special treat for you: a 3D cutaway view of the entire floor plan. This visualization allows you to grasp the intricacies of the layout, enhancing your understanding of how each space seamlessly interconnects to create a harmonious living environment. You can also see how each room is proportioned and positioned in relation to each other. And there you have it, an in-depth exploration of this charming 3-bedroom, one-story brick house design. From the welcoming entrance to the functional living spaces, cozy bedrooms, and serene master suite, every detail has been meticulously considered to craft a home that offers both style and comfort. This house is a perfect example of how simplicity can be elegant, functional, and charming. If you found this tour inspiring, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more captivating designs and architectural insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep dreaming and creating.